Welcome to the concordance or word indexing portion of your tutorial. Let's return to our editor. Let's assume for a moment that we are finished editing our transcript and our attorney needs a word index. The shortcut to that index area is Control-I. Think about it as Control-I for index. Please click on the Generate tab at the top of your index page window. I would like you now to click on the Exclude button. Now in the Exclude area, we have tried to put many of the small words that nobody really cares too much about. You can add to this list. Obviously you want words like if and in and is and it. You don't want those indexed. If we indexed those words, we would have 20 pages of the word a, and that wouldn't go over real big. But you can add to this list also just by clicking your mouse at the end of the list and typing in whatever it is that you wish. The other thing is when you have something with a lot of numbers, maybe your attorney doesn't want all of those numbers. You can put a check mark where it says Ignore all numbers. You can also put a check mark for Ignore words with numbers and characters if you wish. So you have these two choices also. You also have Ignore words lesser than or equal to, and if we put it on 2, that means that all two-letter words will be ignored, which you may feel that could be helpful to you. Alright, once you get the exclude list, these are words that will not be indexed. Once you have this list the way you want it, you then click on the OK button and it will remain that way until you either delete from the list or add to the list. From here, all you need to do is decide whether you want your list in all uppercase, in all lowercase, or as is, which means both upper and lower. Put a check mark where it says Concordance and click the OK button. Now, the longer your transcript is, the longer it will take for you to get your indexing in the proper order. What this message is telling me is I have my bottom margin a little too small on this particular page layout. However, for this tutorial, that's fine. This is what our indexing looks like. It gives you the word, it tells them how many times it appears in a transcript, and on what page, and lines. So the page and lines are here for you. What you would do at this point is you would just print the index page. I'm going to cancel out of here and I'm back to my editor. That concludes how to generate your word index. I'll be back in just a moment.